Hello everyone, welcome to Office 24 by 7. In today's video, we're going to explore the Cloud Telephony feature in Office 24 by 7 and learn how to configure it for your business communication needs. Cloud Telephony is a cloud-based communication solution that enables businesses to manage inbound and outbound calls over the internet. It helps organizations handle customer interactions more efficiently through virtual numbers, intelligent call routing, agent monitoring, and advanced call management capabilities. One of the major advantages of cloud telephony is its ability to handle multiple inbound and outbound calls simultaneously using the same virtual number. This allows businesses to manage large call volumes efficiently while maintaining a seamless customer experience. Another key advantage of Office 24 by 7 is that cloud telephony comes integrated directly with the CRM platform. Unlike many CRM solutions that require third-party integrations, Office 24 by 7 provides a unified communication and customer management experience within a single application. Let's see how to configure it step by step. First, navigate to the Add-on section. Here, you'll find various communication services available in the application, such as email, WhatsApp, click-to-call, cloud telephony, and IVR. Locate the Cloud Telephony Add-on and click on the Active button to open the configuration panel. By default, the Settings tab will be displayed. On the top right side, click on Activated Numbers. This section displays all virtual numbers that have been activated for your account and can be used for business communications. For each number, you can view details such as service number, type, category, company name, service name, activated date, unassigned service numbers, number price. If you need additional virtual numbers, click on By Numbers. A pop-up will display the Office 24 by 7 support contact details. You can contact the support team to purchase and activate new virtual numbers for your account. Now, let us look at configuring Agent CTI. Before we proceed, we have already covered Agent CTI functionality in detail in one of our previous videos. If you haven't watched that yet, you can click the link above or check the description below. Now, let's see how Agent CTI can be configured from the Cloud Telephony add-on. Click on the Agent CTI tab. Here, you can view all existing CTI configurations along with their details. Agent CTI allows organizations to create separate calling environments for different teams or departments. For example, you can create individual CTIs for Sales Team, Support Team, Customer Success Team, Collections Team. Each CTI can have its own calling configurations, permissions, and screen pop-up layouts. For every CTI group, a service number can be assigned to handle both inbound and outbound calls. To create a new CTI, click on the Add button. Enter the CTI name, for example, Sales. Select the service number that should be associated with this CTI. Here you have the option to select multiple CTI numbers for a single CTI, so that the agents can make use of two service numbers for handling inbound and outbound calls. Let's move on to break settings. The first configuration section is break settings. Here you can add new break types, edit existing break names, enable or disable break options, delete unnecessary break types. For example, tea break. The break duration can be set based on your requirements. You can click on the break button to add new breaks. For example, snacks break, and enable it and maintain the duration. We have one more option called force logout. If you enable this, once the break time is completed, the agent will be automatically logged out of the application. Next, we have call transfer settings. These options control how calls can be transferred to another user during conversations. Transfer to extension, usher transfer to IVR, transfer to group. First, let's look at transfer to extension. Allows agents to transfer calls directly to another user within the account. Next is transfer to IVR. It routes the call to a configured IVR flow. Transfer to group. Transfers calls to a user group where calls are distributed automatically using a round-robin manner. Next is the privacy and call settings. Under this section, you can configure privacy controls. Number masking hides customer phone numbers from agents. Email masking conceals customer email addresses from agents. These settings help organizations maintain customer privacy and data security. Next, we have wrap-up settings. Wrap-up time is the period provided to agents immediately after a call ends. During this time, agents can update records, add notes, log call outcomes, complete post-call activities before handling the next call. You can configure the wrap-up duration as required. For example, I am configuring the wrap-up duration for 30 seconds. After the configured duration expires, the call is automatically marked as wrapped up. Next is the auto pop-up feature that automatically opens a record whenever an incoming call is received or an outgoing call is made. This helps agents access customer information instantly without performing manual searches. Enable auto pop-up and select the desired object from the drop-down. For example, here I am selecting Leads. Once an object is selected, its fields become available in the CTI pop-up screen. This enables agents to view and update relevant customer information directly from the CTI pop-up during the call, resulting in faster resolutions and improved customer experiences. Under Incoming Call Auto Answer, the Auto Answer option automatically accepts incoming calls without requiring agents to click the Answer button manually. This feature is commonly used in WebRTC calling. If you disable this auto answer, then the user will get the option to answer or reject the incoming call on the agent. CTI pop-up. Office24by7 also provides advanced call monitoring features such as barging, snooping, and whispering. Barging allows supervisors or managers to join an active conversation and speak with both the agent and the customer. Snooping allows supervisors to silently listen to ongoing calls for monitoring and quality assurance purposes. Whispering allows supervisors to speak privately with the agent during a live call without the customer hearing the conversation. Once all configurations are complete, click on Submit. The newly created CTI will now appear in the Agent CTI list. Every CTI entry includes an Actions menu. The Actions menu provides two options: Edit and User Privileges. The Edit option allows administrators to modify existing CTI configurations and update settings whenever required. And User Privileges allows administrators to assign users to the CTI. When you open User Privileges, a list of available users will be displayed. Simply select the users who should have access to this CTI and submit. Please note that a user can be assigned to only one CTI at a time. If a user is assigned to a new CTI, any previous CTI assignment will automatically be removed. From that point onward, the user will place and receive calls using the newly assigned CTI configuration. Next, let's look at CTI Number Assignment. This section determines how agents make and receive calls. Click on the Add button. Here you see two options: Mobile and Extension. When Mobile is selected, choose a user and map the field number needed to make the call. Then select the field value, which is the number. Agents can make and receive calls directly on their mobile devices. When Extension is selected, you can choose a calling extension such as WebRTC or Zoiper. With a WebRTC-enabled extension number, agents can make and receive calls directly from the interface using an internet connection. After completing the configuration, click on the Submit button. Once saved, the user will appear in the CTI assignment list with the assigned calling method as WebRTC or Mobile. Now let's move to the Audio Files tab. This section manages all audio files available within your account. We have already covered how to add audio files easily: JAS file upload, mobile recording, and TTS, JAS IVR and voice broadcasting campaigns in our previous video. If you haven't watched that yet, you can click the link above or check the description below. And that's how you can configure Cloud Telephony in Office 24by7. From managing virtual numbers and creating agent CTIs to assigning users, configuring call routing, monitoring calls, and managing IVR audio files, Cloud Telephony provides everything you need to streamline business communications from a single platform. With Office 24by7's integrated cloud telephony solution, organizations can improve agent productivity, manage customer interactions more effectively, and deliver a better calling experience for every customer. Thank you for watching.